What's going on, my little What's going on, my little subjects and nuts? I'm Luigi Lord, and I am sorry about that. I probably made you deaf, but yeah, I am back with more RPG Clicker, and yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry for not uploading a video yesterday. I would've, but my phone kinda just gave up the video, basically. Actually, no, that wasn't the case. That was before. Oh, that was the case. I forgot what happened. Something happened, and that's all I know. But yeah, I've basically just been farming up a bit of gold here, and just because I went ahead and got the next 3 maps, I didn't go to them, so the boss is still there. Well, not this one, but still. Basically, I just tend to farm up a bit of gold, and here it seems like that works very good. Because this place gives me a lot more gold, so I can get a lot more weapons. Also, one of my friends, he was over, and he was just being a complete and total idiot when I had him playing Stick War Legacy. Just I'd prefer not to put him up on YouTube at that rate. Cause oh god, it was terrible. Just absolutely terrible. Ooh, go. By the way, guys, I am sorry if you can hear the TV out there. It's just Resident Evil. Oh, wow. I finally need to actually tap. I feel so accomplished. You know what? I should activate my magic. Speaking of magic. Oh, I can't get it. I wanted Flame 3. Oh, well. I'll just level this one. Oh, I got that one to max. Dang. well, I may as well just max these out just in case I decide to go back to them. It doesn't do me any good at all whatsoever. I prefer to actually have that, but yeah, I'll prefer to have that. But yeah. I am in my brother's room, and dang, that was a nice chunk of gold. Give me my new weapon. Now I'm at the point where I am actually allowed to be afraid for my soul. And you know what? I'm actually just gonna farm up a bit of gold, farm up a bit of levels in this area. Ooh, dang. That and that. Give me my new weapons. Die. Nice. That's garbage. Boom, ba, boom, ba, ba, boom, 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 ba, boom. At the moment I have a auto clicker on. I'm just holding down my finger. What level do I have to be at to Legacy 51? Goodness God. But yeah, guys, I know that I could get another area, but I will level up once more here, and then I will go back. Well, I'll go to the next area if I still have enough gold after buying this. Nope. Now I do. Okay, let's try this out to see. Do we die? We survive. I think I'll actually take that one. Finally, I get a better attack charm. I've been waiting for one of those. Ugh! People have been trying to contact me all day, and they're just annoying the balls out of me. And I wasn't even awake for most of the calls. Endless dungeon. That looks like it's supposed to be kind of Skyrim based, I think. I mean, that's just what it looks like to me. Don't judge me and what I am doing. Just know I'm doing something. Wait, did I just kill a chicken? That was a chicken. Oh my god. I'm using the auto clicker at the time. Holy God almighty. It's a chicken? You are trash. It turned into a chicken. Well, I guess that's their new strategy. They turn into chickens. Oh god. I am not messing with my intelligence at the moment. For a second there, I thought I heard my sister. But yeah. Kaboom. Ah, that hurt. Yeah. I think I'll actually keep those. But anyway, guys, I think that once I reach, say, 100 subscribers, I'll do my first live stream. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds about right. Once I reach 100 subscribers, I will do my first live stream. So, yeah. I'm just hoping that you guys will help me out and join up, get me more subscribers. So, I really want to do a live stream, but I'm not doing my first one until at least 100 subscribers, at least. I know. All channels first off start out crap. Just like mine, because I keep on killing chickens for some odd reason. But anyway, yeah. Dang, I'm getting a nice chunk of gold from these guys. Yes, more gold. Give to me. Magic and HP, no thanks. I'm basically just farming up on camera right now. Because I want that other knife. Well, that other blade. That was like 1.1 billion or something. Yeah. 1.1 billion. Kapooyah! Now I need 1.8 billion. I blame Billy. Oh dang, I am stronger. But yeah. Remember guys, 100 subscribers, my first live stream will be then. And yeah. Don't forget to tell your friends about my channel and have them subscribe to me. Okay? Don't forget. I know you got some friends. Don't you be telling me, oh, I ain't got any friends. I want to get to the portal. But I can only go to the desert. And that's kind of it. Desert 1, I'm not going to travel there. But that's going to be for another episode. Yeah, I should probably just end up the video right now. But yeah, tomorrow, brand new video game. Well, brand new mobile app. Some of you may have heard of it, some of you may have saw it. I already got through the tutorial and all the downloads, so you guys wouldn't have to go through all of that. Most of the downloads came after the tutorial, so I didn't want to bore you guys. With all of that, just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Ugh. Yeah, that was a yawn, if you didn't know. That last one was a yawn. Oh, wow. I could go here? No. I am not. Basically, I'm just gonna get this weapon. Test it out, and then I'm gonna end up the video. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm trying to think of other YouTubers' outros for some reason. Oh, what's Markiplier's? Oh, no. Oh, I got one. It's Luigi Kids. I'm sorry, other YouTubers other than mine. This isn't his outro, by the way. I'm sorry if I use your outro by accident. Well, on purpose. But, yeah. It's just because I need help on my own outro. Because mine is currently kind of crap, in my opinion. Okay. Level up! Okay.